As of now, I cannot tell you anything.
A powerful blast right outside Delhi's Red Fort metro station. A car explosion has left 8 dead and 16 injured. Just meters from the Lal Chila metro station gate number 1, a car went up in flames around 6:55 pm, setting off panic in one of India's most high security zones. 7 fire tenders and 15 ambulances rushed to the spot. The fire spread quickly, gutting 3 nearby vehicles before it was brought under control. Police say the blast was extremely powerful. The impact shattered streetlights near the Red Fort walls. Senior officers, including the DCP of the Delhi Special Cell, reached the site immediately as investigators sealed off the area. Multiple casualties have been reported, and the injured have been taken to LNJP hospital. The explosion comes just hours after a massive terror bust in North India, where police recovered nearly 2,900 kilos of explosives, including ammonium nitrate, from an interstate terror module spanning Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. And now, just a few hours later, a blast in the capital. Forensic teams are still on site. The police have declared a high alert across Delhi. Every vehicle near the old city zone is being checked. Security has been tightened across metro stations and government buildings. Eyewitnesses describe scenes of panic and confusion.
नहीं जी, हम कुछ नहीं, हम ये देखे, लपट देखा, अपने छत से देखा, तभी मैं नीचे उतर के आया कि जरा देखूं कहाँ है क्या, और तो पता नहीं
किसी तरह की कोई आवाज आपने सुनी?
बहुत जोर आवाज आई, बिल्डिंग खिड़की हिल गई, खिड़की हिल गई।
आपका घर कितना दूर है?
ये रहा गुरुद्वारे के पास।
हम वहाँ फिर आगे गए नहीं, इसलिए हम फौरन इधर ही दूरी खड़े हो गए। यहाँ पे हमने देखा, सबसे पहले हमने फेफड़ा देखा, वहाँ पड़ा, हमने लगा कि ऐसी होगा। फिर हमने सर को यहाँ पे SHO को बताया हमने कि यहाँ पे सर ये गोश्त पड़ा हुआ है यहाँ पर। उसके बाद हमें लगा कि ऐसी होगा गोश्त, लेकिन उसके बाद फिर हमने हाथ देखा, हम तो खुद शॉक्ड हो गए कि मतलब बयान नहीं कर सकते इस चीज़ को।
People running for cover, vehicles engulfed in flames, and smoke billowing near the metro station. Rescue teams continue to search the area as officials investigate whether the explosion was an accident or part of a larger plot. The city remains on edge, and Uttar Pradesh and Mumbai are put on high alert.